next installment of H Nation, 60 Seconds with H Nation. We're on our way back from the Waynesburg Invitational. I'm Marco Priolo, and this is Evan Johnson. Let's get started. First off, I'd like to thank Evan for videotaping today. How's your first experience as a cameraman?
Well, I think I did a pretty good job. Sometimes I had 2 cameras and I was dual wielding.
Yeah, we'll have to wait to watch the film to be the judge of that. Why don't you tell us how some of the guys did today?
Well, Paul Biwak started off with an impressive first period pin in his first match, and then he ended up winning the entire tournament. So kudos to him.
That was followed up with Ray Yagloski taking 3rd at 133.
And then Wells Sakmar took 6th at 165.
It was a very impressive job by Wells today. And then Christian Ostrowski took 4th, battled his way through the wrestlebacks to take 4th place this tournament. But the man of the hour is our heavyweight, Joey Tilson. Joey, why don't you come up here and we'll interview you? Oh, Jesus. How does it feel to place in your first tournament?
Felt good. Felt good coming back to the consolations and battling my way to the
You got anything to say to your friends back in Oklahoma?
Not really. Hi. See you guys.
Man, a few words. Well, next week we're at Brockport. We're ready to go and excited to start Intersession.
You get the point.